welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is DAMILOLA Williams, and this is everything with DAMILOLA Williams. So on today's episode, I'm going to be trying noodles from China, or Chinese noodles. So let's see how this goes.
Bad boy Tim's in the building. Spiritual ginger.
So guys, for today I'm going to be trying and making Chinese noodles all the way from China, the real Chinese noodles. So for my noodles today, I'm going to need some couple of things. I'm going to need the Chinese noodles itself. This is it. I'm going to need hard-boiled eggs, and of course I'm going to need Chinese spoon. Is it even a Chinese dish if you're not using Chinese spoon? And most importantly, chopsticks. My favorite box, Chinese chopsticks. So I have different set of chopsticks here. I have the beginner's chopsticks, which is this. This is weird. So this is for those learning and trying to use chopsticks for the first time, and this is what I'm going to be using. And this is, I have two different pairs. I have this and I have this, which is for those who already know or learn how to use chopsticks. But for me, I'm not going near these guys today, so I'm going to use this, respect myself, and use this as a beginner. And of course we'll need shrimps, but I don't have shrimps, so let's go get shrimps. So guys, I am at the store to get the shrimp for our Chinese noodles. So I just got our shrimp from Gender store, so I'm going to make our Chinese noodles in a bit. Let's go pay for this. So now guys, I have my shrimp right here. I have my noodles, I have my egg, I have my spoon, and I have my chopsticks. So let's get cooking and then try this all out to see. Let's do it. Things I need for this video are chopsticks, different types of chopsticks, Chinese spoon, shrimp, eggs, and of course the noodles itself. So let's head over to the kitchen. So first of all, I'm going to turn on my gas cooker as always. Turn on your gas cooker. I have two pots here, one for boiling the shrimp with salt and the other for making the noodles, and of course my kettle for boiling my egg, hard-boiled eggs. So I'm just going to get set here. Okay, then I'm going to boil my egg, 2 eggs. Okay, put that in the kettle for it to boil over there. Okay, so I'm going to get water for the noodles and the shrimp. Just get a quality of water that you know is going to cook the noodles and will also boil the shrimp. So I'm adding just little water for the shrimp, not too much, just so it boils to a point where I can turn it into the noodles at 6 minutes boiled. Then I add more water for the noodles. Yeah, you make sure it's not too much and it's not too small. If it's too small, you can as well add more later, but if it's too much, there's no how you can reduce from it. So just try to work with the little water you have. So now this is the noodles. I am going to cut it open and see what is inside. Cutting. Okay, so inside we have 2 packs. One is A and the other is B. Okay, that's B and this is A. Sorry guys, I can't pronounce what is on the sachet, but it says A and B. And this is the noodles itself. It's round, as you can see. Oops, sorry, my power went off. Okay, so we're back. So we're going to pick up from where we stopped. I'm just going to cut the one that says A. As you can see, it says A on the sachet, so A goes first. You see? Okay, you just cut it. Make sure you cut it at a very safe angle. Open it up and pour into your water that is almost at boiling point. Yeah, get all of that inside. Come out. Still there. Come out. Still there. Come out. Okay, that's all of it. It's okay. So now we're going to cut the one that says B. Can you see? B. Let's cut it open. Open. Let's see what's inside. This one that's looking like elubo. Anyways, we're putting it inside. Inside, and we would just, it has finished now. So just pour it inside and we stir. Stir. At this point I was scared because it had like particles in it, and I was like, hope I haven't done this wrong, but it's all good. So while that is boiling, we're going to put the shrimp into the boiling water. Going to rinse and put in the boiling water with salt. Okay, so let's go rinse our shrimp. Wow. Okay, we're gonna rinse the shrimp while that is boiling and our egg is almost boiled, fully boiled, and the water for our shrimp is boiling already. So now I'm going to rinse that in that. Be careful while doing this so it doesn't splash hot water on you. Okay, that is that. Then we add a little bit of salt for taste. All right, so that is that. Then as you can see, the water for the noodles is already boiling. Yeah, you stir the shrimp so it gets evenly cooked. Okay, and don't forget to stir the water for your noodles. So that looks, me, I tasted it too. It was sweet, and I was very excited and eager to try the whole thing. Now I'm going to put my noodles into the boiling noodles sauce and give it time. Okay, so my shrimp is boiled already. I'm going to add that into that, my egg. Okay, so it has boiled for 6 minutes and I'm adding my shrimp and my egg to it and just stirring so the whole spices will get into the shrimp and now let's leave it for 1 minute. And this is what it looks like, people. Let's go try it out. Hi guys, I'm back from the kitchen and I'm done cooking, and this is what it looks like. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and dip in and give you guys a review. But first of all, let's remove this. Okay, that is out. Okay, so I have seen a lot of Chinese videos, and the first thing they do this. You guys, like, let's see how. Okay, this is tricky, but I will conquer eventually. Okay, here it goes. Hold on. You guys, this is heavenly. Whew. So I got to understand that when you are eating a Chinese food, when you swap, that means the food is sweet or delicious or whatever we call it in your country. In my country, we say it's sweet. Very, very sweet too. So let's try this swapping. Oh my god, that was so hot, but delicious. Very, very I can eat this every day. You guys rate my chopstick skills in the comment section. I think I'm getting a hang of it. Let me try to pick up the egg. Wow! Whoa! You guys. Someone book my tickets to China or Korea or Japan. I'm going to relocate eventually. I'm a born natural. So guys, this is the end of today's cooking and drama. So see you next time on my next video, while you excuse me so I can continue. I can eat it the way I want to eat it, you understand? So see you guys next time on my next video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, share to your friends, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, teacher, classmates, whoever is beside you. Share to them, tell them to follow my channel and subscribe for more goodies. See you next time on my next video. I am.